Here we go, guys. We're back at this office building. We got another room that we're cleaning out. This is down in the basement. Pretty good sized room, quite a bit of stuff in here. A lot of tables, a lot of desks, a lot of these wall panels again. Filing cabinets, chairs. All back there, all desks, filing cabinets. Let us start loading. Got a load out of that office building this morning. I got just the pickup truck though. I got a lot of stuff to take apart and get ready. So I'll just get a few loads with the truck today. Let me unload, I'll show you what it looks like. There it is. It's all on the ground. So guys, I picked up another boiler today. This is an old steam boiler. This thing's right around 1,200 pounds. This thing was a monster. Number one steel. Was not fun bringing this thing up the stairs, but we got it out. Here's all the little bit of junk that came with it. A couple controls, circulator pumps, some black pipe, a couple pieces of brass, a couple pieces of copper. Yeah, a couple pieces of wire down there too. The rest is just light iron. This big box right here, that'll go as number one steel. And I gotta load up all this stuff out here. Let me load this up, guys. At the scrapyard this morning, guys. Dumping these boilers for number one steel. And then the whole back half of the truck is all light iron. Then we're headed back to the office building. Let me unload, we'll show you as we go. There you go, guys. All the lights off the truck. Alright, guys. Can't even get the door open. The thing's tipped over a little. Let me open the door, I'll show you. There's about a little over 8,000, almost 9,000 pounds on the truck right now, judging by what the scale just said. Let me start dumping it, I'll show you. Alright guys, I got the door open. Loaded all the way to the front, panels and desks. There's a few that fell off. Lockers now, guys, lockers. I got a whole truckload of lockers. The whole thing. Lockers all the way back. Let me unload it. All the lockers, guys. I gotta go back and get a few more. Couldn't fit them all. Stopped over here, guys. Over here at the Mobil gas station. They're remodeling. Guy told me to take all the metal. So we're gonna pick it all up. Put it in the pile for tomorrow. I got this sugar machine here, it works. That's it, guys. All loaded up. Some shelving, some wire racks. Either way, it's all scrap. This is where the money is, though. this is going to get cleaned up and sold. All clean. Well guys, we did it. This room is done. I gotta take out this chair. I gotta sweep the floor. I got this wood table here. I'm trying to sell it. Save it from the dumpster. All these desk panels, the tops are going in the dumpster. These pallets, I think I got a buyer for most of them. Another pile over there, pallets. This room is done. Quick little sweep on the floor. Truck some stuff up to the dumpster. Look at that, a nice extrusion aluminum. And these are all lights. We'll take the cords, we'll take the ballast, and then we'll get rid of the light iron. I got 50 or 60 of these cables with all that nice THHN number 12 wire in. Not bad. And we'll finish up this room. Then we got to go in the room where those chairs are. The next door on the right. The one at the end of the hallway. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 more rooms on the left side of the hallway. We got to get them all cleaned out. I got these nice boxes. I'm going to keep these. They're nice when you're sorting scrap. Put them on a pallet, fill them up, bring them to the yard when they're ready. Hopefully all these pallets go today. I'm waiting for the guy to call me back, and we'll know if he's going to take them all. There's the load, guys. This is from that room. And way there in the back, and some of this stuff right here. This is the stuff I grabbed last night from Mobil. I got one more cart to put on. Let me get this loaded up so I can go dump. Truck's empty again, guys. Big load. 7,000 pounds again. Guys, we're back at the scrapyard. Another big load here. Filing cabinets right to the roof, the whole length of the truck. Just about 7,000 pounds on the truck. There's the ground before we dump them. Truck's empty. All the way back to here. That was a big load. Like I said, we're going to be just about 7,000 pounds on the scale. Give or take a couple hundred pounds. We're going back for another one. See you guys in a few. We're back at the scrapyard, guys. That's what I need right there. I need one of these machines. Someday, keep getting big loads like this every day, every week. We might be buying one. Full of panels. 7,000 or 8,000 pounds on here. Let's dump them on the ground, see what we got. There's one half of the panels, guys. I gotta move just so the guy can load up one of the big trucks. I'll show you what the other pile looks like when we're done. There you go, guys. That's the other half of the panels from the truck. Here's all those filing cabinets from our first load. Not a bad day. Just under 15,000 pounds, maybe a little over per day.